Hello everyone, welcome to Traders Corner. In this video, I'm going to discuss about RSI indicator. This is one of the most powerful indicator and it was very much wrongly used by most of the experienced and also beginners. So in this video, I'm going to explain about how it is wrongly used and how it has to be used properly. So before we jump into the topic about how to use and what to use, I would like to share you guys what is RSI indicator is about. RSI indicator is all about which indicates the powerful shift in momentum and also change in direction of a price. So I'll start with how this RSI indicator was wrongly used or wrongly viewed by beginners and experienced people. That may lead to missing in participation of a momentum trade, few people who might take wrong trades. Okay, RSI indicator, it ranges from 0 to 100. So where most of the beginners and experienced trader use it as they view it as overbought and oversold zone, which is nothing but whenever RSI is above 80, the upper band, people thinks that it is an overbought and it can come anytime. But if you see, very rare chances price may reverse from 80 range. But actually what happens, whenever the price crosses 80, that is the time where the momentum picks up and again the price go further quickly. Okay, so this is first one on the overbought side and the other one is oversold. Whenever price falls below 30 or falls below 20, most of the people thinks that it has been oversold already and price can reverse anytime. You can say it can anytime, but still there will be selling momentum which might happen below 30 and 20 levels. Okay, so this is the first thing where most of the people, how they view it. People use it to find where the overbought or oversold region happens, and they don't take any trades where they miss the momentum and they don't participate in the quick momentum or quick move in prices. So RSI indicator, it should not be used as an overbought or oversold finding tool. Okay, that is above 70 and above 70 and below 30. Instead, how we are supposed to use it? As I said in the beginning, RSI is a tool or an indicator to find the strength and momentum of a price. Okay, it indicates the gain or loss of strength in a trend, the first point. And the second point is it helps in finding the change in price or the change in trend. So how to find gain or loss of momentum and shift or change in trend? So to say in a very short, not going very much deep into RSI, like about the 70 and 30 range, about oversold and oversold or overbought area, I will come straight to the topic how RSI indicator has to be used to take a trade. Okay, so this can be done by finding the divergences. Divergence is nothing but the difference in movement of the price and difference in movement of RSI indicator. So going deep down into RSI indicator without discussing about unwanted things, how failure happens and etc. I will come straight to the point how RSI has to be used to find out a trend reversal and also to find out momentum. So let's discuss about how RSI can be used to find the change in trend and also to find when the momentum starts in a particular price. The first one what we see is nothing but classic divergence. You can see in the picture classic bearish divergence and the other one is classic bullish divergence. So this classic divergence is nothing but a trend reversal pattern. Okay, trend reversal pattern, which means either from bearish to bullish or bullish to bearish, or in other words, or to say in simple words, this classic divergence is used to find whether the trend is changing from downtrend to uptrend or uptrend to downtrend. This one is classic divergence. So I have shared 4 different pictures. The first 2 is for how the trend changes from bearish to bullish, and the second 2 is for how the trend changes from bullish to bearish. So in this part 1 series, I'm just explaining about what is an RSI indicator, how it has to be used and how it should not be used. First one which I have explained now is classic divergence. So again, once again, before going into the next one, which is the most important one, how to find the momentum in a trade, I request you guys to kindly like and subscribe my channel. Your likes will motivate me to come up with more strategies which will be very much helpful for you to take part in profitable trades. And do enable the notification icon, so if I come up with new strategies or ideas, it will be notified to you and it will be very much helpful for you. Next one is nothing but hidden divergence. Okay, so hidden divergences form, or it happens after the classic divergence. So first we saw classic divergence as trend reversal pattern. So what is the next one? Hidden divergence means it is a trend continuation pattern. So hidden divergence always comes after classic divergence. Okay, so hidden divergence forms after a trend reversal. Hence, hidden divergence is nothing but a trend continuation pattern. Okay, so hidden divergence is a trend continuation pattern. Okay, so whether you get momentum in a classic divergence or not, for sure, whenever hidden divergence is formed, after that, if you participate in a trade, you can participate in the momentum where your targets will be hit very quickly. And also same for the hidden bearish or the bullish divergence also. I have shared 4 different charts over here. The first two is for bullish hidden divergence and the second two is for bearish hidden divergence. Okay, so kindly have a look of this thing and do follow my page. So this is part 1 series. Kindly have a look of this video and also the examples I have shown. If you have any doubts, kindly comment in the section below and I will explain you. At the same time, I would request you guys to follow my Telegram channel. If you have any doubts, you can follow me in my Telegram channel and you can clear your doubts over there also, where I share like various intraday swing strategies and also intraday and swing trading stocks. So I request you guys to kindly identify the right method which you follow. You should know whether it is a successful one or not. If not, don't blindly just by seeing the marketing techniques, just pay your fees and don't lose your money and fail to gain knowledge. So most people, they in an urge to make profit, they just follow every method which is shared in YouTube and social media and everything. They, even if they spend some money, it is not a problem. But if you lose your valuable time, it can be 1 month, few months, 6 months, something like that. If you lose your time, you cannot earn it. So kindly analyze before following any methods and then proceed further. So once again, I request you guys to kindly like and subscribe my channel and do enable the notification bell so that you will be notified. And here I have mentioned my Telegram ID also. Please follow the channel where you can gain more knowledge in it. Thank you.